to a German beginner's course. Today we will learn the days of the week, months of the year, colors and little more vocabulary which is required for you to build up some basic German sentences. The German days of the week called as Tage der Woche. Again, Tage der Woche. Let's start with the days of the week, that is Tage der Woche. Most of the days in German end with the word der Tag, just as in English days ends with a day. The German week starts with a Montag, that is Monday rather than Sunday. Before we move on to the days of the week, let us also know the basic vocabulary which is meant to talk about today, tomorrow, day after, and the other words which are required to build up your sentences again. So, repeat after me. Heute. Today is called as heute. The day before yesterday is called as vorgestern. Vorgestern. And yesterday is called as gestern. Gestern. The day after tomorrow is called as übermorgen. Übermorgen. This week is called as diese Woche. Diese Woche. Last week is called as letzte Woche. Letzte Woche. The week before the last is called as vorletzte Woche. Vorletzte Woche. The next week is called as nächste Woche. Nächste Woche. So now, you all know that there are 7 days in a week. How do we say this statement in German? Es sind 7 Tage in jeder Woche. I repeat, es sind 7 Tage in jeder Woche. So now let's learn the days of the week. Montag, Montag, Dienstag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Mittwoch. Since it's the middle of the week, it is called as Mittwoch. It does not have Tag ending. Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Donnerstag, Freitag, Freitag, Samstag, Samstag, Sonntag, Sonntag. I will repeat the days of the week once again. Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag und Sonntag. Now, the weekend in German is called as die Wochenende. Die Wochenende. To say on Monday, on Friday, hello friends, can we meet up on Monday? So how do you say this prepositional phrase in German? We say am Montag, am Freitag. And if you want to say today is Friday, today is Saturday, today is Monday, so we say that in German as heute ist der Freitag. Heute ist der Freitag. With this, you can start telling up your birthdays. When is your birthday falling in this year? Before that, we also will know the months in German so that you can give your birthday along with your month. So the month in German is called as der Monat. A single month is called as der Monat. And months are called as die Monate. Die Monate. So now repeat the months after me. They look similar to your English, but the pronunciation is little different. So repeat after me. Januar, Januar, Februar, Februar, März, März, April, April, Mai, Mai, Juni, Juni, Juli, Juli, August, August, September, September, October, October, November, November, December, December. So I will repeat the months again. Januar, Februar, März, April, Mai, Juni, Juli, August, September, October, November and December. Now to say I was born on 15th August so and so year. How do we say that in German? Yeah, get ready now. Ich bin am 15. August 1988 geboren. Again, ich bin am 15. August 1988 geboren. Try with your date of births. It's very easy to give your birthday to your friends. If somebody is asking you, when is your birthday? It's quite common among your peer groups. To know your friends' birthdays, the question you raise is, wann hast du Geburtstag? Wann hast du Geburtstag? So that is literally, when is your birthday? Ich habe Geburtstag am 15. August. Ich habe Geburtstag am 15. August. Yeah, now you can cross question among each of y'all and then find out the birth dates of your friends or maybe your family members again. Yeah? Okay.